Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday, October the 21st. These are the charts of the day. Alphabetically, of course, as usual. Let's start off with Acacia Research, ACTG, one stock that we've had on our top 25 list for a while. It stalled in here during the summer, but broke out again at the end of September. Consolidated in this range here. Moved up about 61 cents today, but the key being after hours came out with terrific earnings. The stock popped, got up to about 24, so expect a big day tomorrow on it. And since this is multi-year highs, or not, if not all-time highs, yeah, I believe it is an all-time high, this could be a stock that moves substantially in the next couple of days. We'll see. Applied Signal, APSG. The weekly chart shows a strong 3-year rising channel underway. The top of that channel in the mid-30s, and that'll be a trading target. But look at the action today, up 84 cents and breaking out above a key lateral resistance on heavy volume the last two sessions. It looks like momentum could carry this one into, as I said, the low 30s, maybe more. China Genqing Minerals, CHGS, popped 37 cents or 20% today. Yesterday it had an explosive move from $1.45 up to $2.60 and backed off, but came on again today. To me, that's a key indication that momentum is going forward and that the stock could get going. If it gets across the 260 area, I would look for a move up towards the $3 range, maybe thereabouts, and although there is some resistance around 275. China Yuchai, one of our old favorites from many years ago. As you can see, it's moved up from the 08 lows when it was trading like 2.5. Has today reached 23.5 plus, and came across a key level of resistance today to reach multi-year highs. And you'll see that there's additional overhead resistance and a target up around the low 30s, and then beyond that, and in the high 30s, and that'll be our trading targets on China Yuchai going forward. But for now, today was a key breakout, up 242, 11.5% on heavy volume, and I believe, although there's some resistance just ahead, this is the kind of stock that could make it to the top of the channel into the mid to high 30s eventually. Delta Airlines, I'm in a strong recent airline group with terrific earnings. Delta broke out across its declining top sign with a breakaway gap and had a nice follow-through day. 20 million shares, up another 4.3%, up 56 cents. There's resistance up around 14.5, 15. That'd be our short-term trading target. But if it gets through that, look for something potentially in the high teens. Moving forward is ISLN System, ISLN, which has been on our top 25 list for months. It's had a fantastic run this year for running from around the $6 level January up to current price tagging 29.5 nearly today. Stock jumped to $1.82 or 7% on 5.2 million. That's the heaviest volume we've seen in a long time. That was following terrific earnings. I believe the stock makes it up to my original trading target around a 33 level, and maybe beyond that. LaCroix, LCRY. It was in a nice rising channel until late September when it thrusted on heavy volume. Since then, it's been consolidating a nice little bull coil. Volume's dissipating, yet technicals are holding up well, which calls for higher levels. Short-term trading target at about the 10.25 level, secondary target at 12. LivePerson made a price volume surge yesterday, followed through today, although it did back off towards the end of the day. It still closed up a bit, and with technical surging, I believe that there is more to go for LivePerson. But we're now at we're at 10-year high territory. The target right now would be up around the $12 level near the all-time high set in 2000. Up next is Nexus. Wanted to point out this little baby because I like the way it's developing. Nice base. Price volume surge breakout, and then a little 4-day pullback. Very orderly, very quiet. Technicals holding up well. This flag may develop another few days, but eventually I think we break out. Next target is up around the 3 3/4 range. Beyond that, something around 5. Rhino, R-I-N-O. Nice base is developed. declining tops line was taken out. The stock has surged recently. It backed off. Came on again, up 47 cents today, but right at resistance. And if it pops here, it should reach my short-term target, which I set last week when it was 15 at 19 and a quarter. If right now should be able to pierce through that, my secondary target would be up around 25. We'll see. That's more of an intermediate type target. We'll see if we can make it up there going forward. RXII, little junior biotech stock, popped in September, coiled through the rest of the month early this month, popped again and then flagged, and today went up almost 8%, 26 cents on 522,000 shares, the heaviest volume in a month. Looks like it's headed for 4.5, 3/4. My near-term trading target. Beyond that, potentially something around 6 may be doable, and we'll set that as a trading target. TSYS, setting up a nice little flag in the zone. Was off a nickel today, but wanted to point out that the volume has been dissipating slowly as the stock flags near its 10-day moving average and near the bottom of its short-term channel. The top of that channel is around the 6.5, 3/4 level. That'll be my short-term trading target. Secondary target about 8 1/4. TZOO had a terrific day today. You'll see that this little left shoulder, head, and right shoulder broke out in August, ran hard in September, consolidated at end of September, beginning of October. Today had a significant $5 move for almost 19% on the heaviest volume I've ever seen on TZOO. 1.3 million. It's a thin stock. Trading target up around 39, 9.5, and I believe it may get there. The stock is currently undergoing strong momentum. And lastly today is ZAGG, ZAGG, which just continues to accelerate. Did very well, up another 6%, 47 cents, more than 3 million traded. Stock made another new high and took out the '09 highs. So at this point, maybe clear ceiling. I have a $10 target short term, $12 in immediate term. And that's it for this evening. We'll talk to you Monday. Have a good one.